Hi friends, this video shows how to fix 5G to 4G network auto switch. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Then go to connections, tap here. Go to mobile networks, tap on network mode. See here, we can see the first option 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G auto connect. If we select this option, network will automatically switch from 5G to 4G if 5G signal strength is weak. So I will show you how we can fix this issue. Let me close this. Then open Google Play Store, install this app, Google Phone app. I already installed this Google Phone app. Let me open. Tap on this Google Phone app icon. Tap on this icon. Here we have to dial one number. This is a number star hash 4636 hash star. Then tap on phone information. Go down, tap on set preferred network type. Tap here. Set NR only. Tap on NR only. Done. Then go back. Close this. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go to connections. Go to mobile networks. See, now we can see network mode 5G only. If we set network mode 5G only, phone will not automatically switch from 5G to 4G. It will always try to use 5G only network. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.